Any morning that we start off with beautiful silks is a good morning, and that's what we're doing here. I've had many requests to bring back the silks. They want a little, they need an extra yard here because everybody's gotten their silks. So we're going to. So we're going to start with, we call this Purple Heaven. It's beautiful, just simply beautiful. I mean, you know, I don't know what else to say. 100% Seta, that's 100% silk, just in case you don't know Italian. But anyway, it's beautiful. I'm going to hold it still just so maybe the camera can focus in on the, it's a beautiful, it's like almost like a puzzle piece on the background, and then the silk print is laid on top. And then of course we have a matching sheer that goes with it. I see a blouse, and then the sleeves or an underlayer to this. It's just, I mean, it's just beautiful. It's just really beautiful. These are the fabrics I had made in Italy. And I love the whole coordination thing, which is why I did it. I put this up because it blends so beautifully with this. I'm going to put this together so you can see it. This is like not a purple so much as a royal blue, but yet, I don't know, it's just, look at the colors as they go together. The deeper parts of this purple have blue in them. And so it's just beautiful. I mean, it's just really pretty together, and it brings out the colors. So I put that together. This has great drape. It's great for a jacket or a pant. It is a cotton poly, but it feels like a 4-ply silk. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. And it also goes really well with this, just showing you what colors would work well. This is kind of like a chrysanthemum. It's like a burst of floral in that silk, but yet it doesn't look like a floral. It's just beautiful. And I know I'm putting it behind the one. I should put it behind that so you can see a little bit better, but I'll take a really good close-up picture of it so you can see it. Then we have the Chanel. We don't have much left of any of these, to be honest, but this is very low, but just have a few yards, so I thought I'd put that up. This would be great for making, the new jacket that we just had for PBS in 1953, how I did it Tuesday night. No linings, no facing. That would be perfect for this. Use that selvage. This would be a great, easy little super jacket. Really fun to do. And then, of course, this last one, 100% silk. Again, this is our dots and circles, squares. Just beautiful. The colors are really the teal. That leather that we're shipping, we've actually got it in, we're shipping it. That teal leather would be beautiful with this. All right, so there you have it. Some beautiful silks to wake up to. It's a Thursday. Happy Thursday. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.